Yo, what's up, Bad Road Buddies? Today we're going to meet two crazy adventurers who I'm sending to the granddaddy of all off-roading destinations. The wild and awe-inspiring terrain of Lahore. So it's time to unlock your spirits, strap in. This is one bad road that leads to a really good place. Check it out.
बहुत सही
Hey Jatin, how are you? Sit, come now.
Yo Jatin! Whoa! Now that you know where we are, बताओ आज का मिशन क्या है यार?
जल्दी बताओ.
बता रहा हूँ यार, I know तुम्हारा नेटवर्क इतना अच्छा नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन तुम्हारा मिशन बहुत कमाल का है. It's something that I've done it personally, and trust me, it could be life-changing because you're already in the mighty Himalayas. And today's mission, you're going to drive for about 4 kilometers. But these 4 kilometers are straight up. Yep. You'll be driving in between altitudes of 3,000 to 4,000 meters, so you're high up, snow-covered roads, and it's a mission that is going to test you as a driver. It's going to test your skills, your temperament, and it's going to test your tires because the road can get a little mischievous at times. So it'll be your bad road buddy, but you'll go through the Atal Tunnel, which is again a marvelous spectacle. You'll enjoy that, and you're going to love this drive.
Hi. So you guys ready for the adventure?
Yeah! All bad road buddies!
Bad road buddies are bad.
Bad road buddies are the greatest.
Living it out?
It's huge. You can't fathom the amount of effort and energy and science that goes behind it. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, that India could do this gives you goosebumps, and you feel so proud about it.
Now you'll ask me, कि कहाँ तक drive करना है? You'll keep driving till the road ends, till there is no road. So enjoy this. This mission is called Adventure Trails. I'm looking forward to some incredible footage. Go enjoy, unlock your spirits. This mission is going to change your life.
It's been about more than a decade, and yeah, once you start, it just consumes you, and you just want to do it all the time. So this is what I do full time now.
I think it's the sense of freedom that you get going away from the cities and basically just, getting away from the hectic life that we have nowadays.
If I were to say that in the 9 years that I've been doing road trips, what has been the biggest point of failure? It's the tires. Almost every trip, we come back with one slashed tire, one broken tire, because when you're not on tarmac and when you have the sharp rocks, even if you're trying your best to navigate away, it's a problem. And we've tried so many different tires. A good tire gives you so much comfort and confidence to try out these things.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Good tires, they give you the courage and peace of mind when you're on the road, and a road like that. Sahil ke साथ the rest of the crew certainly had an amazing journey. It's very tough to bring them back from this adventure. No one wanted to come back. These guys are certainly having a good time, aren't they? But let's check in and see what their bad road buddy moment of the trip was.
So this whole journey, as I said, is all about convoys. We are in 3 different cars. But today we actually got together at this really beautiful place at the end of the road, after which there was only snow, and we had tea there. Can you imagine standing in the middle of nowhere with snow all around and having tea and biscuits, hot tea and biscuits? I think that for me was the most, or one of the most amazing places in this journey so far. Good job, man.
Well, it has been an amazing ride, and we have faced some truly challenging driving conditions.
We also had some amazing bonding and friendship moments, and we proved that bad roads lead to good places.
Jackass! Spectacular!
Psychedelic.
Life-changing!
Dhasu!
Well, with that, we've come to the end of another action-packed, adventure-filled episode on the Bad Road Buddies Mission 2021. I'm Jatin Sapru, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the open road with your team, with your Bad Road Buddies. Go Team Bad Road Buddies, unlock your spirits.